What's up everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you 3 home-based business ideas to start in 2019 without any investment. Thanks a lot for stopping by. If you're new around here, make sure to subscribe first to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online and work from home opportunities on a consistent basis, and hit that notification bell also to be notified every time there is a new video uploaded. Alright, having a home-based business is really nice. You're in control of yourself and your working hours there. It's definitely highly recommended, but it's also very tough to get started in the beginning because we don't know where to get started. And it also requires many time investment. So I want to give you today 3 home-based business ideas that you can start with to make money without any investment. So with that being said, let's get started with idea number 1, which is actually to be a freelancer. And if you go probably to one of the most popular sites is, like I do here, is Upwork, upwork.com. There is so many things that you can actually do as a freelancer, so do not limit yourself that you need some expert skills in something. I've seen so many people that offers freelancing in stuff that is really weird. So all you have to do is think a little bit outside of the box there, what you think that you are good in, and you can get started as a freelancer. Just to give you a quick idea, I usually recommend transcribing is a very simple idea to get started with. So you can see here there is tons of people that offers transcribing, but that doesn't mean that you can't do it as well. So you can see this lady here, she charges $27.50 per hour. 20k she has earned here. So there is definitely a lot of people that wants to have audio and video transcribed. Another very popular site is also Freelancer and of course Fiverr. Do not limit yourself here that you only get $5 because it doesn't work like that. So just to give you a quick idea here, this gig is actually for 20 minutes of audio and video, but usually if you want more, then you have to pay more. Okay, so this is from 90 to 180 minutes. They charge $30, so you can definitely make much more. And as I said, do not limit yourself. If you're a graphic designer, for example, you can work as a graphic designer. Probably these are probably the most popular gigs here, but as I said, you can search for probably anything you can imagine. You can be a virtual assistant, some kind of a chat or some kind of a call assistant, just to give you a few ideas here. So definitely a good way to get started without any investment. What I would do is I would actually sign up to 2 or 3 of those sites and offer many variation of my freelancing services there, to be honest, because that's how you get job all the time. So that is about freelancing. The second idea that you can get started with from home is to actually create an online course and sell it. And the same goes here. Do not limit that you're not an expert in something. People are so hungry for information. They buy information, they want to learn new stuff all the time. And it doesn't have to be that we want to learn English or Spanish or something like that. It can be actually as simple as learning how to record a video like I do right now. Or I don't know, how to fix a lamp or something like that. So the most popular sites that I want to show you here is Udemy. It's totally free to sign up for this. And you can create a course and have it online there and sell it. So look at this, for example. The Complete 2019 Web Development. It goes for $10 here and 99 cents. Now look at that. She has 6,406 reviews, which means that she has made some money on this, okay? So if you made the calculation here, even if she made the half of the commission, she's definitely made some crazy money here. So what I would do actually, I would go here to search for something that I think that I'm skilled in, just create an account and have a look at what is around there. look at this, for example. Let's say you do good in JavaScript here. 34,000 reviews, okay? Make that with $10 each. So let's say that Udemy gets a commission. I mean, all right, you can understand that this guy has made some money here, Jonas. So as I said, do not limit yourself. There is so many things that people want to learn these days, and we're living definitely in a world and time that we want to learn new stuff every single day. So Udemy is definitely probably one of the most popular online course platforms. And there is also Teachable.com. Works pretty similar. You can sign up for this too here as well. So definitely worth to have a look at as well. So Udemy and Teachable is actually very, very popular to get started with, to sell online courses. Now, if you have already created a course, you can of course set it up on other platforms too, or why not even sell it on your own platform. That means of course that you create your own site there, and it requires a little bit more. I have done it. I have 2 courses online that I started with. It requires some energy and some time, but it's definitely worth it in the long run because it is your own course there. So definitely worth to have a look at to get started with, and doesn't require any investment at all. And finally, idea number 3 is affiliate marketing, which is also my favorite method. It is really simple because first off, you don't have to create any products. You just promote whatever you want as an affiliate, and you can do it in many ways. I mean, you can do it on your blog, you can do it on videos, you can do it on a podcast. You can actually just send it to a friend with an affiliate link, or you can send an email or something with affiliate link, and when someone purchases that product that you promote, you make a commission. So that is why it is also a preferred method. And the 2 most popular sites that I'm going to share with you, the first one here is Amazon. Amazon, as you know, they do have thousands of products that you can promote, okay? So that is really nice with Amazon. What I also like about Amazon is that I have an affiliate link for, let's say, for example, this product here. And when someone arrives at the site and they decide to purchase something else, you get a commission for that too. So that is really nice. I've seen some crazy things actually. I have promoted, I promoted this, and I've seen people buy completely unrelated things there. So that is really nice with the Amazon. And it works really simple. You create an account for Amazon.com, and you find the product that you want to promote, you grab that link, and all you have to do is just promote that link, of course. So Amazon, as I said, is the most popular for products. And the second platform that I do recommend is ClickBank. Now, ClickBank is focused on e-products, digital products, and they are probably number 1 around the globe right now. Really simple because they have thousands of products here too. Anything that has to do in a digital format, of course, that you want to learn. So you can see here they have categories like arts and entertainment, business, investment, education, home, health and fitness. So let's say, for example, that we go to health and fitness. You can see here that they are sorted by latest, but let's say we sort by popularity. So you can see here we have diets. This is a very popular niche. The most popular is, I would say, health and wealth niches. Actually, people want to be lean, they want to build muscle, they want to lose weight, which is very popular. So there is a lot of courses that they sell thousands of items here. And works the same way. You get started by searching for a product. This is a quick example. Fat Burning Furnace has been around for years. So you grab a link from this product and you made a commission. It could be around, I'm not sure if I remember right, but you can make actually around $30 for selling one of the Fat Burning Furnace, for example. So what I prefer actually to promote as an affiliate is this way here. So let me just show you a quick example. This is where the traffic comes from, and what I do prefer is actually drive it to an opt-in page. An opt-in page, you know, is where you opt in with your email in exchange for getting something for free. So I do have a case study, but you can have a free report. It can be a tutorial, 7-day course or something like that you offer for free. And it is really simple if you ask me why, because I'm all about email marketing. A list is something that you're in control in, okay? You don't rely on a third-party social media platform or something, because when you wake up one day, they just, like this, they decided that you're violating the terms or something like that, and they just say goodbye. So you're sitting there without any subscribers at your fan page or something like that. It happens to me in the past, so I do know from experience, and that's when I started to build an email list. So what I do recommend is build an email list, and then you can start to promote offers here. So if it is affiliate offer, it can be your own offer. The cool thing is you can promote many times new offers and new offers again and again and again. You do need, of course, to provide some value that is really necessary, so you don't just bombard and start, hey, buy this and this and this and this. I mean, people can't just buy every single day. We know that for sure. So that is about affiliate marketing, and as I said, it is my preferred method. Now, if you're interested in building a long-term business and a real business online with this method, I do have my #1 recommendation in the link below here in the description. Okay, there you have it. 3 home-based business ideas to start with in 2019 without any investment. If you got some value out of this video, I really do appreciate if you hit the like button below. Before you leave, you'll find an end screen here with 2 channel recommendations. Both are mine and both are related to make money online and work from home opportunities. So I highly suggest you to subscribe to both these channels and hit the notification bell also to be notified every time there is a new video uploaded. Plus you also find another video recommendation here. Alright, thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon.